Today I'm restoring a Sekine road bike from 1977, which has some fascinating history. Interestingly, I made a video on a red 1977 Sekine SHC 271 road bike a while back, and the only difference between this bike and the red bike was the red one was 25 inches and this one is 21 inches. Both SHC 271 bikes were made in April of 1977, and it's interesting that both bikes came to me a few months apart from the Calgary, Alberta area. Anyway, this Sekine was designed as a competent racer that would take a lot of punishment, and was the perfect choice for a teenager's first 10-speed, thus while a pile of these bikes were sold in the late 70s. So for a bit of history on the brand, Sekine was originally manufactured in Japan, but in the early 1970s, the road bike scene was taking off. Thus, Sekine started looking for a North American build facility. With Canadian incentives, Sekine set up a shop in Rivers, Manitoba, and with 3 managers brought in from Japan, Sekine started producing quality-made road bikes. A rundown of this bike would not be complete without pointing out the iconic, ornate Sekine rear spoke protector, which definitely sets this bike apart from anything else out there, and was sometimes referred to as a dork guard. The bike is equipped with Shimano Thunderbird and Lark components, which weren't top-end by any means, but still offered good performance and reliability. The SR 3952 tooth crankset, combined with the Shimano 1428 tooth cluster in the back, was very typical for the time period. If you've never ridden a bike with this gearing combination, find one of these bikes and have yourself some rippin' road bike fun. The original high tensile steel chrome plated forks are in great condition. And with the Kuwahara headset and Sakae SR stem, the handlebars are ready to be installed. The shifters are Shimano fingertip friction, which help novice racers find just the right gear to be in. With the Shimano Tourney center pull brakes installed and the wiring completed, the bike is braking and shifting great. I decided to do away with the dual position brake extension levers, aka safety levers, death grips, or suicide levers, and went with a nice set of Dia-Compe levers from the same time period. So a bit of a funny story with the seat post. Apparently the original post went missing and the previous owner didn't have the correct size post, so he used an old beer can as a shim. Well, 10 points for ingenuity on the previous owner's part, but with the correct 25.8mm seat post installed, all is well. Anyway, the main goal of Sekine was to take high-quality parts and assemble bikes using Japanese high-quality standards that targeted all levels of road biking interest that were not only reliable, but also functional. And certainly, Sekine designed their bikes to inspire pride of ownership with lasting service, and this 47-year-old bike is certainly a testament to that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.